everyone. Gagajoy's cooking. I'm glad you dropped in today. Well, you know, with school back, and I'm so thankful that it is back for all the children. My little great-grandson gets off the bus at my house for a couple hours every evening, and he walks through the door and he wants an apple. After he eats his apple, he wants a peanut butter sandwich. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to do 3 different kinds of peanut butter sandwiches. And it's called Fluffer. Cut that part out. It's called Fluffer. Get that out. Fluffer Nutter. Fluffer Nutter. And it's peanut butter. Just peanut butter. And on this side, you put marshmallow cream. That's where the fluffer comes in. Cover it real good. Now this side. Now, put a little bit of butter. On each side. Put it on the grill. Okay. Now the next one is similar. It's peanut butter. Fluff. That's why it's called Fluffer Nutter. And then something very unusual. Bacon. And I mean, it's the reasoning is everything is so sweet, and that salty taste of peanut butter. Bacon on the peanut butter just makes it wonderful. And I'll have to say, it's pretty good. I want that a little bit done. Watch out a little bit there. Now the next one is one you've probably heard of. It's Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich.
And it's perfect timing for a taste tester.
You can mix it.
All right.
Here, turn. This is my daughter Jill.
Hey. Oh, I came at perfect time for this. And you were saying Elvis Presley?
This is going to be Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich.
Oh, this is Jill's favorite sandwich when she was a little girl.
I know.
Roasted marshmallow peanut butter sandwich.
Now, he liked banana on his. I actually do too.
I know you like banana and peanut butter.
Yeah, and he loved banana on his. And the deal was, it had to be completely covered with banana, so you don't put a little piece. He wanted big pieces of banana. And the story is that his daddy told the cook how to fix him his sandwiches. So that sounds good to me. Whatever Elvis wanted, Elvis got.
Just wash my hands. Oh, this one has bacon. That one has bacon?
No, that one only has bacon.
Oh. I think the bacon's the one I need to taste.
Yeah, oh, they say it's so good with that fluff. Because it's
better
salty.
with bacon.
Let's see. Now I need the bacon on that.
Okay.
This
want
is
bacon.
Elvis's sandwich.
Oh, Elvis gets
Bacon,
bananas
banana, and bacon.
bacon.
Yes.
Of course he does. Whatever Elvis wants, Elvis gets. Kind of like me.
Okay.
Oh man.
Now he liked it on both sides.
Peanut butter on both sides?
Yeah, but hey, why not?
So you're using butter?
Just, yeah. He actually, they like bacon grease, but I just can't do that.
I like mayonnaise.
I like mayonnaise with bananas. Give me
Yeah.
a napkin right there.
Yeah, I know. I was talking about mayonnaise instead of butter to coat.
Yeah, that's it for
The
cheese.
outside.
It's a good cheese sandwich.
Yeah.
Okay, just put it right here.
That's right there.
And this comes Elvis's.
Elvis style. This is the first time I've got to be out here with you, Mama.
I know.
And it's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday.
And I get peanut butter sandwiches.
No. You get a lot more than that. You just don't know it yet.
Okay. I'll be cutting these.
Oh, yeah. Oh, my gosh. The peanut butter is oozing out of it.
Yeah, see?
Oh,
Well,
yeah.
this is the one with the bacon, so that, I wonder if it's a bit hard to fix. Look at that one.
Yeah. Yeah. Oozy.
This is just a marshmallow peanut butter fluff.
Yeah.
How's that becoming?
It's becoming good. Are you having a good day for your birthday?
Of course.
Yeah. Everybody's bringing you presents. I got a big box. Can't wait for you to see it. It doesn't involve food.
Aww.
Oh, that's okay. You'll see. Haley's bringing food
You better
items.
hop it over. Yep.
Ooh,
Perfect.
I like mine a little bit charred. Like my
Well,
steak.
you got, yeah.
Don't worry. I'll be tasting them all.
I mean, a napkin.
How to get around you and my nose runs like yours.
No, mine does every time I get around the heat. It's just,
Mine's every time I get around you.
oh, is that what it is?
It's just a
Allergies.
genetic thing. I got a fork hidden over here. Oh, this is good. It's so good. Mama's cooking is always the best.
Flip it. Cause that's it. I think that's the hot side of the grill. That's why these got a little bit toasty. See?
Perfect.
Perfect. Perfect.
Right.
Okay.
Right. Matthew McConaughey would say.
Have to do it. Think about the bacon. Okay. So,
Yes.
good. That's good. Well,
whole sandwich and a half after I try each
that's
one.
3 sandwiches. So I think we're going to have a good afternoon.
Yes.
Yes. So it was fun having you. I hope you try our peanut butter nutter sandwiches and Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich. Remember the joy today and all week. You help someone. And subscribe, ring that bell, and we'll see you soon.